This is the onions powder, so I want to package it. You must have a very tight container and make sure that it's well dried. This is 1,000 naira onions that I bought from the market. This can take you for like 3 months. So use it for your egg. You want a fried egg, your sauce, so many things. It's not every time that you cut onions. If you have the powder onions, you have a very long way to go. You don't have much stress. Wow, came out so well. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mobile Foodies. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to make onions powder. I have onions here. I've already cleaned the onions. Make sure that there's no water. I parted the water. So I'm going to cut it now. You can sun dry the onions between 3 to 4 days with intense heat. It's going to dry it very well. You can air fry it. Use your air fryer. The temperature is going to be 120 stroke 140. That's the temperature for oven and air fryer. You can put it in your dehydrator and use your dehydrator. It's going to take like 7 to 12 hours to dry. I'm going to use the air fryer. This is the air fryer basket. So I'll show you guys how to cut it. You have to make sure that there's no water. It has to be dry, well dried. Then I'll remove it this way. So guys, what is onions powder? Onions powder offers concentrated flavor and antioxidants and nutrients. Onions reduces inflammation, support heart health and immune health. It helps in digestion, aids digestion, regulate blood sugar, promotes bone health through minerals like calcium. It has nutritional values. What are the nutritional values? It is a source of vitamin C, E, vitamin B, vitamin B1, B2, and B5. It also has vitamin B6. So as you can see, I taught you guys about how to prepare turmeric powder. This is the one I just uprooted now from my farm. As you can see, this is how it is. This one just uprooted it now. I've not washed it yet. I just came back from my farm now. As you can see, this is from only one stand. It's much and it's huge. So just try to see how you can plant it. This one I just bought 500 naira on in the market. imagine this is only one stand. You can imagine other places. So it's huge and it's much. So try and have turmeric. You don't need to buy everything. As I told you, there are things that you buy and there are things that you don't buy. So I want to put it inside the air fryer basket now. So I'm putting it inside the basket now. I'll try and pack all of them inside. So as it's inside as the onions is inside the air fryer, I'll be checking it from time to time. This is the timer and the temperature. I want to place it in 140. As you can see, this is the arrow 140. Then I put this under 1 hour. That's no, it's not 1 hour. I place it under 30 minutes. So let's see. I will check it when it is 15 minutes. Hello guys, this is the outcome of the onions that are dehydrated. As I said, if you don't have dehydrator, you can sun dry it. So I'm going to blend it now into powder form. If you want to have a distinctive flavor, add a little garlic. Add a little garlic and dry it along with the onions. So I'm going to blend it now. Hello everyone, this is the outcome of the onions powder. As you can see, I finished blending it. So I want to turn it now. That is the onions powder that I got from 1,000 naira worth of onions in the market. You can use this for your sauce, beef, egg, anything you are cooking that you are using onions to cook. So as you can see, it's very easy to prepare. There's no point of you buying onions in the store all the time. You can produce it by yourself. It's very, very easy. So how do we store it? Store it in an airtight container. Don't allow moisture to enter inside. And make sure that it's well dried. If it is not well dried, please continue to sun it. Let it be well dried. If it's dried, you will not have problems. So please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Don't just watch and go. This is Mobile Foodies. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. The onions powder now.